everyone. Today we start the video. So we are making today veg bullets. Okay. For veg bullets, we just taken the potato is there. So this potato is smashed now. After that we keep there vegetable chop. This is the carrot and beans. Both are we just boiled and chopped is there. So we keep here all. Okay. Now we keep the all spices. This is the onion chop, green chili chop, and coriander leaf chop. Okay. Keep the all things once. Okay. Then next one is our spices. This is the salt, and this is the black pepper. This is the turmeric powder, and this one is the chili powder. This one is the jeera powder, and this one is the chaat masala. Keep all things in there once. And next step, next is our. This is the corn flour, and this is the maida. This is the all purpose flour. So keep all things in here and mix it nicely. You can see our Veg masala is ready now. So we are just making the ball now. It is so just one boil some water take and like that make on some boil like that ball. After then like that take and make it a ball.
Our oil is become hot. We are going to fry this all veg bullets. 3 to 4 minutes after veg bullets is ready now. We are going to remove it all. Like our video, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.